Hello everyone, I am Prabha. The core reason for starting this channel is to help the students in building employability skills. We always speak about unemployment, but forget to speak about skills which are required to be hired. Today we will be discussing few important facts about the present situation and what key skill is required to get a job. I have done a complete research on same so as to help the students to prepare for the upcoming challenges before attending the job interview. So, let's get started. This graph shows the survey of unemployment till 2019 by CMIE, that is Center of Monitoring Indian Economy. If you observe, Haryana is topping the chart with 28% of unemployment in India. On other hand, Karnataka has the lowest unemployment, less than 1%, which is 0.7%. Andhra Pradesh is at 5.3%. Andhra Pradesh's unemployment rate increased by 14.8 percentage points, rising to 25% in April 2020, according to a survey conducted by the Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, that is CMIE. Over a longer time period, unemployment has moved from 2.3 in May 2017 to its current rate. While the reasons are plenty, but one of the genuine barrier that companies complain is about skilled students. That is, they are not able to find comprehensive students in the present marketing conditions. To cope up with the situation, different governments are taking various measures, and this is a paper cutting from Enadu, June 2020, where it clearly shows the current market requires more than a general engineers. We will discuss the same in detail in our next slides. This is the outcome of the survey by World Economic Forum, where we can see the top 10 skills required in 2020 in comparison to 2015. It speaks about complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation skills, and cognitive flexibility. The slides shows about the latest survey report of World Economic Forum about the future skills required. All these skills is nothing but soft skills, which is often neglected at primary and secondary school level. Soft skills is just treated as a subject, and even the students attempt the exam score maximum marks in the examination. When it comes to implementation, it's nil. Only after completion of graduation, students realize but fail to learn and implement in their lifestyle. We will discuss in depth about these skills at the later part of the session. Before which, let's discuss about the current hard skills required for accelerating the chances of employability. As per the World Economic Forum, data analyst and scientist, AI and machine learning, operations managers, software application developers, sales and marketing professionals, big data specialist, digital transformation specialist, new technology specialist, organization development specialist, and information technology services will be the emerging roles by 2020. There would be greater than 133 million jobs in these roles. For all the roles, soft skills is a primary criteria. Always remember, without hard skills, you might get something, but without soft skills, you would have nothing in your hands. While hard skills can be learned and later implemented, soft skills has to be practiced every day, like learning to ride a bike, where practice will only enhance your skills. And remember, it has to be consistent practice, else you will not be able to implement when required. LinkedIn's 2019 Global Talent Trends report that 92% of all executives say that soft skills are just as important or more important than hard skills. As per Deloitte's 2016 Global Human Capital Trends report, 92% of Deloitte's executives related soft skills has critical priority, and By the survey of Talent Q, 90% employers believe that graduates with soft skills will become increasingly important. Deloitte Access Economics also states that 67 of all jobs in Australia will rely on soft skills by 2030. 44% of US executives say lack of soft skills is the biggest gap in US workforce. In 2015, National Association of Colleges and Employers survey of employers listed ability to work in a team as the most desirable attribute of new college graduates ahead of the problem solving and analytical and quantitative skills. In an effort to discern the best candidate for a job, employers are placing more emphasis on personality during the hiring process. During interviews, employers are closely accessing your soft skills or intangible qualities and personality traits that aren't always apparent on the paper but will allow you to be a star employee and grow with the organization. I have tried highlighting 10 of the most in demand soft skills here, out of which the most important is communication. The ability to articulate, communicate in writing and verbally with colleagues and clients is considered one of the most highly valued skills by employers. Teamwork is the second point. It is just as important to have the ability to work within a team setting as it is to work independently. So you will want to highlight your contribution to success of a team. Third is flexibility. The abilities to adapt to challenging business trends and evolving technology are especially important in today's market and are critical to an organization's goal. Fourth is accountability. Hiring managers are looking for employees who hold themselves responsible for their work and can build a feeling of trust among peers and supervisors. Fifth, and most important, is leadership. Although you might not be in a leadership position, leadership is an important quality that employers are seeking because most day to day tasks require a sense of autonomy. Next is analytical thinking, adapting to a challenge landscape, working around challenges, and developing new strategies to overcome obstacles are key qualities to process of in the workplace. You need to be assertive. Confidence in your abilities and willingness to assert your opinion when necessary demonstrate that you hold yourself accountable for the quality of work you produce. Creativity. Thinking out of the box and offering a unique point of view that examines all angles of problem is important in order to generate new ideas and drive business forward. Next is time management. The ability to strategically plan how you manage your time and balance multiple tasks in order to effectively accomplish company goals is a major skill that companies look for. The last one is drive to success. Employers are looking for new hires who will want to grow with the company, so the ability to demonstrate your initiative and an aptitude for learning is very important. So these were the top 10 soft skills which every students need to know and need to practice upon. Before we close this session, remember, no matter what job you have in life, your success will determine 5% by your academic credentials, 15% by your professional experiences, and 80% by your communication skills. Thank you.